Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Zam.
And this is Sam.
This is Sam and Zam Vlogs! So for today's vlog, it's vlog 11. Imagine, naka-11 vlogs na tayo. We are doing something different. So this is called Sanity Break.
Yeah, and you see, we're in a different setup. We're here at Riverfront Garden Resort. And sobrang peaceful dito, daming trees.
Yeah, this is in Maragondon, Cavite. Pakitaan namin kayo ng mga snapshots namin and snippets sa mga videos namin. Pero for now, we will also be featuring one of our local brands na super proud kami because their mission is to spread the love of art and to make everyone appreciate art on a different level. So, they are called Imahenasyon Manila and i-feature namin yung latest product nila.
So we're here.
Yeah. Finally, after 15 hours.
Oo nga.
Kay Papa, anong sinasabi mo? Dati kuto ka lang, ngayon kuto ka na? O natinisa ka ngayon?
Hi ate, nag-aayos ka dyan? Ayan, ito yung itsura ng loob ng room. Anong tawag dito sa room na to? Glamping? Ah, na aircon. Yan. Tapos kasya dalawa dito, no? Maliit lang siya. Ayan, oh, cute. Yan. Magkano yung ganitong room, ate?
2,800 po pag weekdays, 3,000 po pag weekend or holiday.
2,800 pag weekdays, tapos 3,000 pag ano. Ah, okay. Natry mo na matulog dyan, ate. Masaya naman. Diba? Terno pa yung painting dun sa pobre kama. Anyways, thanks ate. Guys, good morning! So, andito ako ngayon sa may glamping area nila. Ayan. Sobrang peaceful. May live band pa. May mga swimming pool. Pwede kang muni-muni. Kasi napakaganda talaga ng view and very serene. May si Kit. Samuel. Getting ready for the photo shoot. So, bibis lang din ako. Bye! To match the peace and quiet, we brought our Sanity Break Kits care of Imahenasyon Manila. Created by Dyenn, you will instantly fall in love with this kit as in. If you're stressed, bored, dejected, heartbroken, or would just like to tickle the right side of your brain, this kit is definitely a mood changer. They have different designs or canvas to choose from, and talagang lalabas yung pagka-Michelangelo mo, or pwede rin pagka-Solen or pagka-Heart Evangelista. Sama ano nga bang laman ng Sanity Break Kit? Alam mo ba? Share mo naman!
Kit includes thank you card, free stickers, color guide, canvas, wooden stand, paint brushes, and syempre paint. If you guys are interested, you can visit and message any of their page to order. Now, ito kami trying to be artsy-fartsy in the woods. At dahil di namin siya natapos, inuwi na lang namin to finish it all. At abangan nyo kasi 2 lucky viewers will be receiving their freebies. More info at the latter part of the video. Anyway, balik tayo sa Riverfront. Here are splendid shots from Sam Wanderers featured on their blogspot and YouTube channel.
namin ngayon. We have Dyenn and Lord and Sam. Shout out to Imahenasyon Manila.
Yes! Follow! Imahenasyon Manila.
Yeah.
Imahenasyon Manila!
Sobrang lakas ng ulan, so di namin alam kung lalangoy na lang ba kami or
Iba nga dyan. So that's it, you guys. The Sanity Break Kit was such an experience. I had fun painting. You know, it gives you a quiet time to reflect. Super nice.
Yeah, and even ako, hindi ako masyado mahilig mag-painting or mag-drawing, pero what's good about it is it comes with a set of instructions kung saan mo ilalagay yung particular color na to, and super dali and super fun and super relaxing, and it lives up to its name, Sanity Break Kit.
And again, we're giving away 2 Sanity Break Kits to 2 lucky winners. So, check namin yung instructions below.
Yeah, and who knows? Kayo yung manalo. Nakakita niyo ba itong dog namin? Si Porky, ang kanyang first appearance.
Hi, say hi.
Hi! This is Sam and Sam Vlog! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. So once again, this is Sam.
And this is Sam.
And this is Sam and Sam Vlogs! Bye! Bye-bye! Rawr!